Veselje became a hub of innovation, security, and collaboration. At Slovenian International Defense Exhibition and Conference, the defense community came together to shape the future, uniting technology, science, and people. Across the exhibition halls, global companies showcased advanced solutions in cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, energy, and communication. Experts and leaders shared ideas that redefine resilience and defense in the modern world. CyDek showed that the power of progress lies not only in technology, but in people who believe in cooperation, trust, and shared purpose. Thank you to all exhibitors, partners, and participants who made this possible. Together, we've created a moment that will inspire the future. CyDek, ideas shaping a safer world.
Skratka, smo priča prvemu mednarodnemu obrambnemu sejmu in konferenci CyDek 2025. Osrednji konferenčni panel predstavitev strategije razvoja obrambne industrije in tehnološke baze Republike Slovenije je bil izvrstno obiskan. Smo posredovali vse informacije o tem, kaj se dogaja v zadnjih letih na obrambnem področju, na področju sodelovanja z industrijo in znanostjo.
So in the central panel, the first day in the opening, we actually executed the strategic panel where we showcased how what kind of strategy we are preparing actually for the development of the defense industry, and we try to show the main vision and the guidelines how we will proceed.
Izvedeni so bili 4 tehnološki paneli, in sicer kibernetska varnost, tehnologija prihodnosti, raziskave in razvoj, energetska učinkovitost in odpornost in umetna inteligenca.
So beside this, in this couple of days, we conducted 4 different panels. So cybersecurity, future technologies, artificial intelligence, and as well energy efficiency.
Nekaj statističnih podatkov. To je bilo do včeraj do 9. ure.
Some statistics data until 9 o'clock in the evening yesterday.
Sicer 106 razstavnih prostorov se ne bo spremenilo, 178 podjetij in organizacij iz 20 držav.
So 106 exhibitors, the stands, and then 170 approximately companies from 20 countries.
Od tega 109 slovenskih podjetij,
109 Slovenian out of this,
69 tujih razstavljavcev.
69 foreign ones.
Lahko samo omenim najbolj številčne: Avstrija 17, Nemčija 11,
so Austria 17, Germany 11,
Turčija 9,
Turkey,
Velika
9,
Britanija 5,
Great Britain 5,
Hrvaška in Francija 4 in tako
Croatia
naprej.
and France 4, and like similar like this.
Vseh registriranih obiskovalcev in udeležencev je bilo več kot 10,000.
Over 10,000 registered visitors.
Tudi obiskovalci promocije poklica Slovenske vojske.
Including as well there was an event in the army in the I don't know how it's called in English, but the army showcased to, of course, the young generation what are the challenges, what kind of jobs they can get it, so this was as well included.
In kar je zelo pomembno, poleg udeležencev, razstavljavcev in obiskovalcev, mi smo imeli na tem sejmu 143 pogodbenih izvajalcev, govorimo oseb, ki so poskrbeli za dobro počutje na tem sejmu.
143 performers that made this fair possible and organized efficiently.
Prisotni smo bili v podpisu nekaterih zelo pomembnih dokumentov.
There were a couple of serious documents, signatures, so signatory events during the fair.
Prvi je dogovor med Ministrstvo za obrambo in 4 fakultetami in Slovenskim inštitutom za kakovost.
So the most significant one was the memorandum of understanding among the Ministry of Defense of Slovenia and some universities, and as well the Slovenian Institute for Quality.
Podpisani sta bili dve pogodbi raziskovalno-razvojnih projekta, to je razvoj inteligentnih oborožitvenih sistemov in grafični pogon v simulatorjih.
Two contracts, concrete contracts were signed. Can you repeat?
Inteligentni oborožitveni
So
sistemi
intelligence weapon systems
in grafični pogoni v simulacijskih sistemih.
and graphic drive in the military systems, simulation systems. Yeah.
Okay. Skupna vrednost je dveh pogodbi 4,7 milijona.
The common value of this was 4.7 million.
In to je to v bistvu pomembno sporočilo, da z vlaganjem v razvojne projekte želimo pospešiti slovensko obrambno industrijo.
So the main purpose was, of course, to connect all the dots, all the stakeholders, and to increase and strengthen our domestic defense industry.
Smo bili prisotni ob podpisu pogodbe med Rheinmetallom, MA1, in podjetjem slovenskim Biol za dobavo elementov, ki bodo vgrajena na slovenska taktična tovorna vozila MA1 HX.
So there was a contract signed among Biol, the Slovenian company, and Rheinmetall, as you all know, for the elements that will be integrated into the
8x8 HX
8x8
tactical vehicle.
Tactical vehicles.
Gre za pogodbo 7 milijonov evrov od našega naročila 22 milijonov.
So 7 million out of 22 million altogether.
To je tudi zanimiva informacija, ker v bistvu s tem se podjetju Biol odpira možnost sodelovanja tudi na drugih projektih podjetja Rheinmetall.
So with this, the concrete company Biol has an opportunity in the future for the other projects. It will be easier to enter into the new projects.
Smo zaključili en projekt sodelovanja vlada-vladi z Ministrstvom za obrambo Črne Gore.
So one project was concluded as well, a government-to-government system with the government of Montenegro.
In smo Ministrstvu za obrambo Črne Gore predali 6 brezpilotnikov slovenskega podjetja C-Astral.
So we gave 6 drones from the company C-Astral to the government of Montenegro.
Smo bili prisotni ob podpisu naročila turškega podjetja Otokar z našim podjetjem Guardiaris za ekskluzivno dobavo simulatorjev za njihove oborožitvene sisteme.
So there was an exclusive signature among Guardiaris and Otokar, the Turkish company, for
samo za ekskluzivno dobavo njihovih
exclusive
simulatorjev za njihove proizvode.
for the simulators for their production.
In samo še zadnje, Docking, hrvaški Docking in naše podjetje Valhalla sta podpisala strateško partnerstvo.
So Docking as well, the Croatian company, and Valhalla, the Slovenian one, they signed a strategic partnership.
Danes pa je že v javnosti objavljeno, da je kar nekaj držav NATO zainteresiranih za to vrstne proizvode.
So it was publicly announced today that a couple of countries are already interested in this kind of agreements.
Veliko bilateralnih srečanj smo imeli.
There was a lot of bilateral meetings.
Brazilija, Alžirija, Turčija, Hrvaška.
Brazil, Algeria, Turkey,
Brazilija, Avstrija, Francija, Italija in drugi.
Italy, France, so a lot of bilateral meetings.
Da ne bom dolg,
Not to be too long.
prej se iskreno zahvaljujem vsem razstavljavcem,
So we would like to thank to all the exhibitors,
vsem obiskovalcem
all the visitors,
in seveda tudi vsem organizatorjem, ker jih ni bilo malo.
and all the organizers. It was a pretty big event, and the first ones are not so easy to organize.
Delo je bilo odlično opravljeno
An excellent job.
in odločitev je, da sejem ponovimo.
There is a decision that the fair will be repeated.
Mi lahko tudi napovemo natančno.
We can say very exactly when it will be.
To bo drugo leto med 10. in 12. novembrom na
So it
isti
will be
lokaciji.
next year, 10 to 12 of November, on the same place, so here in Celje Fairgrounds.
Kmalu bo pa tudi uradna informacija posredovana, govorimo o enem tednu, 2 tednih po spletu in vsem prisotnim na tem sejmu.
Very soon the official information about this announcement will follow in the social media, via emails and all the communication channels.
Iskrena hvala res za vrhunsko udeležbo, za zelo pozitivne odzive, zelo pozitivne.
Thank you very much again for, let's say, great exhibition, and also thank you to all of you, and we got a lot of very positive and very encouraging messages, especially from exhibitors and also from the visitors.
In zadnje sporočilo,
The last message,
da mislimo resno,
we really think seriously.
je pred nekaj minutami objavljen javni poziv k oddaji nezavezujočih izjav o interesu.
Just a couple of minutes ago, there was a public tender announced, the public call for the
Nezavezujočih izjav o interesu.
for the non-binding interest of the companies, of the industry.
Objavilo je državno podjetje Dovos.
This was, of course, published by the newly established state company Dovos.
Seveda cilj je, tako kot je bilo v preteklosti napovedano, investitorja je izvajanje naložbenih aktivnosti z področja obrambe, varnosti in odpornosti.
So, of course, the main purpose is, as Dovos as an investment or investment platform, to support the development of new projects and, of course, commercialization.
Ta objava je objavljena velja rok je za 22. december letos.
It's valid until 22nd of December this year.
Po obdelavi vseh informacij sledili bodo zavezujoče objave in verjetno tudi zaključki.
So after analyzing all the, let's say, received proposals, interest, there will be, of course, binding contracts signed.
Še enkrat hvala in vidimo se drugo leto v tem času.
So thank you so much and see you next year in the CDEC 2026. Thank you.
Thank you.